Gold and silver both traded in a narrow range so far for the day. Earlier in the day with the Asia session opening, we have seen good volatility in both the metals, and then later taking the support, we have seen sluggishness in the movement and it is tried to trade within range. Now, can we expect a bounce back and a recovery, or there is a further drop which is going to be there? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, and friends, do like, share, and comment. It is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my ability. Now, see gold on the hourly charts. You can see first bearish move, then the retracement, then second bearish move, and then the retracement. Second thing you can observe here is it has got its support intact here at 23.10, 23, 24.10, 24.05 levels, which is indeed a very good support here. But also I can see here the lower highs are seen, flat bottom is seen. This is a squeeze, and thus it has to come out of this squeeze in order to continue with the movement either on the upside or on the down. Right now, what you can also see after the drop, it is retracing here and it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs of the channel are close to 24.28, 24.30 levels, which is indeed going to be a good support zone, good resistance zone. And if it trades beyond 24.30 is where you can say now gold is trying to reverse, and possibly we may look forward to little bullishness from there. Stochastic has retraced, MACD has traded bearish, it is trying to converge and crossover. A crossover here can lead to slight bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. Similar observation here: drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. See, after the drop, it is trading in this bearish channel here. It is very important for gold to now stay below this zone, that is 24.10, 24.06 levels. These levels are going to play a critical role today, only below which you can expect that the bears will be active, else it is still not bearish within this zone. Stochastic is rising. MACD is still trading bearish on the 2 hour charts, looking downwards. RSI almost comfortable. Coming to 3 hour. Now on the 3 hour charts, another important point here is look at these candles: lower highs, higher lows, beautifully respecting here. Now this candle tried to start on a bullish note. It has already achieved the high, but failing to stay, it is trying to reverse. Now this could create a symmetrical candle, which means it can try to move towards the zone. We have to be watchful. Right now, I expect that possibly we can see a little retracement towards 24.28, 24.30, but the signs are not very much visible. If you see it is staying beyond 24.24, you can initiate a buying entry for 24.28, 24.30 zone. And if it stays above 24.30, we can expect it to confirm the reversal towards 24.36. 24.40 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish on the 3 hour charts, looking downwards. And as I said earlier in the day, that the crossover is coming at a higher levels, thus it can try to trade on the downside. And right now it is looking downwards, indicating bearishness. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts, what has happened here, I have shared earlier in the day that it is divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average, and so far we have seen gold always trying to take the support and try to bounce back from these levels. Let's see if today again it continues to deliver the same and tries to move towards 24.30 levels at least. Stochastic at bottom trying to recover. MACD is crossed over here and trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well, signs of bearishness. Coming to daily chart. Now before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. In this mentorship batch, we focus on sharing all the key tools, concepts, strategies, and the trade setups with you, and which we have developed with our years of experience, so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. Do not miss to join this batch. Register yourself now, else you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals, also you can profit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence, which is safe, secure, and which offers the lowest spread. See, in gold, if you're trading with $0.50 spread or 70 cents spread, you are wasting your money by paying extra fees and margins to your broker. If you join through the link in the channel and the video description, you will get 22 cents of a spread, which is negligible compared to the trading volume and the profits you're getting. And yes, it also has no hidden charges, no swap, nothing. So do join the broker. Now look at the daily chart. See what it has done on the daily charts. Lower lows are done. Preceding candle was also a swing candle, but it was a green bullish candle. Now today what it has done, it has formed a tail, and it can try to either deliver lower highs, lower lows. This is what I have mentioned earlier. Only bearishness today is if it breaks below this zone at 2405 and 2400. If these two levels are taken, then we can say that a symmetrical candle might appear, which may try to pull the prices towards 2390, 2380 levels. As long as 2400 or 2405 levels are respected, the chances of a bounce back will be very high. And right now also it may try to move towards 2430 levels, at least that is what I can see. But only buying entry I will recommend is at 2424. Do not buy before 2424. Buy there expected to move towards 2428, 2430 levels. First target zone 2435, 36 the next, and then 2441 will appear. Now this is the zone where it has maximum resistance 2450. I do not see it breaking. Thus it may try to fall shy of this, or may go closer towards the top. That is what we can expect. The best case scenario, if the bulls are back and if the bulls take it on the high side. Else a little swing, stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, and RSI near to top. So looking at this, buy 2424, sell 2410. At 2410 you can take a sell entry, wait for 240604 zone to be taken, then 2297, 99 levels will be 2397, 99 levels will be seen, and then we can look forward to 2391, 2384, 2372. But possibly today is not going to be the day for this drop. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Look at silver here, the drop almost it has formed double top. That is what I have shared earlier. To 3250 levels it is achieved, forming the double top. See, it is trading in this box as of now. What we are also observing is higher lows are seen. Thus it is very important for silver to break below 31 40, 3120 zone, which is again going to remain a critical support zone. Also on the upside you can see 3180. How strong is the resistance here? Thus if you see silver breaking beyond 3180, you can buy here for $32 levels, 32.25 and plus levels can also be expected beyond that. Else, remember that drop is the sharper retracement, and if it breaks out here, it is going to be a sharper drop again towards $31 levels. Stochastic dropping here, the MACD has seen good bearish move. It can try to converge crossover. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, another observation here is lower highs are done and it is trying to consolidate its position, trying to stay in the zone. That is why I say 3140 is the level below which you can initiate a selling entry and expect it to trade. And on the upside, very simple, 3180 levels. If it stays above 3180, then only we can initiate a buying position. Stochastic rising, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bearish. It is looking downwards on the 2 hour chart, suggestive of further bearishness. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Lower high preceding candle, almost a swing candle with very minimal body. They suggest that the prices were neither willing to stay bearish nor the bulls were active here. Thus, it is very important for silver to now break beyond 3180 in order to confirm further rise. What silver has also done is it has come to take the support from the 20 period. Thus, it can try to bounce back from here again. Possibility exists that, and thus if you see it is staying above 3180, you can initiate a buying position. Stochastic has dropped, trying to recover. The MACD has crossed over here at the top. It is trying to trade with divergence. It is trying to stay bearish, looking downwards here. Possibility of a drop exists here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts, very clear. Higher lows are consistently seen here. Support from the 20 period moving average is also seen. We have seen a drop, we have seen couple of retracement, and if it breaks below 3140, we can look forward to 3120 and $31 levels at the next support levels. And if silver drops below 31, there is going to be slight bearishness where 3080, 3050 levels can be expected. Stochastic has hit the bottom here. MACD has crossed over here at the top, trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, double top is seen. With the help of double top, it is trying to retrace. It can form a symmetrical candle, which means it has the potential to move towards the lows there at $31. In fact, 3095 levels. Yes, it can try to move towards these levels as well, and then close the day at around these levels. Identical candles can be expected. Thus, possibility of a slight retracement exists here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI overbought. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 3140, expect 3120, $31 levels, very strong support. Now 3095, $31 levels first support, then 3080, 75 next target, and 3050 can also be expected if it drops and trades below 31. On the upside, you can buy here at 3180 levels, but then 32 first resistance, 3225 the next, and 3250. Ultimately, any point of time 3250, if it breaks, that is the bullish confirmation, and then sky is the limit for silver there. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Signals channel. Was the first update always. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow. Thank you.